Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gist. Apropos anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Now team up. She doesn't know how to speak Benin. She they come there, they come to learn Benin. She they always they come the group, come to learn Benin. So this same voice of truth, she now team up from that same group and raise from one of the members of the group, take them away and open another group of her own self. Start asking them to donate money for them to build an hospital, that is to build a maternity in Benin Kingdom, for she to be operating, for them to bought a plot of land secretly out of Ileledu. Now, the Tina cause chaos. What a bust from Ileledu. No women to women. Go. This one, the friend, this one friend, this one toast this one, this one. What a bust. Osayevele now have a group. Some of the group in Ileledu now, based on ye boy na person way body the pepper. Ye boy not settle down to understand where the problem was coming from. You understand? All these women now started flying out. Kids, now rat with the house, with the 10 outsider, waiting the house. That is Kate for you. That is the kind of woman she are. This is where they talk. So when I call kids, when I call ye boy, you better to talk. Then the group scatter. When group scatter, I call ye boy to order. My sister, sit down. Let's reshuffle this leadership where you give all these women. Some of the women started to insult. If you talk in what you as a man go talk in what you could talk. All of them was just ye boy was blocking a lot of women out of the group. Anyone would they remove, and they go to Sayemari. So anything where they discuss for the group, Kate was an informant. Kate, Baba with the smile, want open up to you today. Say, I too know you go reach your posters with your yash. Now, not me, if I did talk like this, I did talk with evidence. Today, not today, my level don't change. Yeah, Joe. Major Montare not ikudire, udira barika ikwebe. Omo mi jeje, udi mi de dakari janu mamba. Obri miru ati vavo, evare vajuruwe, hiba bagbagarowe. Karajanu mamba, he said warrior, etia yawa, keti, yanzi kubona. I just do my drink. Kate was an informant. Kate was Bobone. Ah, damn it. Iye boy, go here was he will just like you. He will just be telling you everything about herself. That's why Baba with this man, very, very careful, very, very intelligent and smart. Efeyi was the first person that left that group. Efeyi left that group, insulted everybody in the group. Insulted our people, but what would you work? Efeyi left the group. Now, Kate misbehaved. You understand? What happened? Iye boy does not share a group, share a post. I see the boy want to share post. I just calm down. As well this man, I was investigating everything, trying to see where the problem is coming out from that group. Now, if I discuss anything in the group with me, they go Osayevele platform, bam. So I even a page where you open. Anything we discuss. What can't they carry this matter? How they talk for here they go? Or say every platform. You boy no know. I pause. I dey observe all those women. Women plenty for the group. You come in Ledo, you see women, Sarah. What? Canada, UK, America, Germany, who Sarah in the group. About what the smile was investigating the matter. I like to try to know what is happening. And as somebody bring Kate for that group. The person will bring Kate come the group. In order the group again, that one don't move. That one follows Sayere. Some of the men will like woman. They don't follow Sayere. A lot of my guys, as I talk to this group, they listen. Then they know what's in there. Bad guys. When they want to shop, when they see me, all those things, they're best. They follow all those things. Now so they travel up and down. Calm down, say sure. I do observe. Observation chairman. Oh, toye. I did where I did. Look at the call. The next time I say, my boy wants chef leadership. So they give this one post, give this one post, give this one post. I just calm down. Immediately I should mention Kate. Kate is the coordinator of Bejo. Now I carry my phone. Now I come, my boy, say, my boy. That woman when you mention her name, say Kate. Now she go prompt to now she go be the coordinator of Bejo. Now so that woman is an evil woman. Why you want to say that one for? Man, boy, they could a trust person. Oh, yeah, my guy, he could get a trust person. Oh, yeah, go carry on. Now say, Mama, anything we will talk about this group, that woman, now they remove her from this group. They go give her side house. He said, nah, I mean, when he will tell her, I say, Mama, I mean, they test you. That woman, I format. I know what's not the talk. I get my facts. And I investigate things. You see, if I could show, I said, Mama, sure. Too clearly, my investigation clear. Not be saying nothing. Over clear, you know, V format, you know. You see how you group in us, format. Anything already has soon, man. You know, diagnose again. The next my boy blocker. As my boy blocker, the Kate move. Go meet FA. Go report my boy to FA. This one, Kate, so you don't donate 50 euro for the group. So the group will not pay money, put the blocker for the group. Make FA come saga, iye boy. When Kate forgets, say, iye boy, FA, and mama boy na, papa, picking and mama. And they listen, that time, mama boy, if FA did life, mama boy, there was a call in for FA platform. And I remember them when they talk so, 2 years, I mean 3 years ago. So, FA now, and then they give FA money, mais FA come blow mama boy fire for social media. Not those saga, eh? FA, you have to call you boy. So don't call someone for my territory. You need to come and start with you. Mama can provoke. Who comes someone son? Kids. And my boy coaching. Follow FA. FA can say, Mama come. We'll settle this matter. If you don't want me fit, kids did the group again. Return 50 euro, go give kids. And today as soon as my boy call me, say, see waiting the play. Say FA say once a garamo. I say FA once a guy you. I say I better forget that thing which can talk with that one. That one now play with that. You say Frankie, no be joking. Hey joking, answer. What do you do if FA once a guy you? Say now kids. Carry matter go give FA. I say kids, say who be kids? Say that girl now where I say they Bejo. I say, hey, okay no, go. No, he don't say it. He don't say it. I say, yeah, boy, I'll tell you. I tell you this matter. You know what I believe in. I tell you, say that girl na evil. That girl na evil man. Because say FA tell my boy, say boy, reopen the girl again. Call it open kids. Put kids for inside the group. Kids was still an informant, still packing all the things we did the group. Come on, me a smart guy. After Kate was blocked, We don't see anybody pack anything come out. Immediately they bring kids inside the group. When they observe, when they use brain. Immediately, you'll be like, say, since where these rats come for your house, your meat's not lost. As the rats come, your meat started to lost. Who they thief the meat? Not be the rats. And see, common sense is not common. No distraction. Common sense is not common. Immediately, the rats come the house. The meat started to lost. Who they thief the meat? Not be the rats. Now I tell my boy, say, my sister come see me for outside the house. If you don't close for work, come see me for my boy can already come. Sit down. I said, babe, see. Again, your V formation barrier August Ayevere, which is voice of freedom. This time I tell you so, Ayevere never open voice of freedom for Facebook. Nobody know. Just the low key. Okay now. Upon not boy come fuck up for the group. Even my boy say fuck up. As my boy fuck up. Now call chain. Now so right now, I did this group as a man. So right now, boy, for making that statement, you are suspended from this group. Even though you open the group, I suspend you for 4 days. No talk for this group, no make any, no write, no talk. We don't want to see you in this group. Boy can serve the suspension. After boy finish the suspension, boy come in. We welcome boy back to the group. So right now, men who did the group, we need to respect ourselves so that these same women with the respect of not for day here. We're going to do we're going to quarrel like at the market when men in the house. I can't bring law enter the group. Compositions on laws. Anybody will violate them. These are your penalties. Kate. This ain't Kate. You violate the law. Who suspend Kate? Kate got chain. You see when me remove myself. Who suspend me? Who suspend me? And I say yes. I don't feel they group me women they insult me for group. I took the paro. Now you know now. We have like we did WhatsApp group. Now they miss mistake. Person correct me. Call the insult. If I go disgrace and disgone one, I not gonna know the best thing. I better respect myself. I remove myself, exit myself out of the group. And as I exit myself out of the group, the rest women, they say no. If Baba would smile, come for this group. Who want to teach us, Bini? Who want to teach us all this things they teach us? No, you must come back. They said they call me, they disturb me. I said, I don't want to know wahala. Since you don't want to take person advice. Oh, you want to take una carry our whole group. Come out. I don't need group. I don't call Europe golf group. I want them my own. Wait till I want no. Person want teach you now. Wanna look wanna leave me. They insist. All those women, different women, they call. I cause they call. When they come be like say, now me no pass. Now so I don't hear. I'll come back. I come back. Kate, pick offense. They say Kate, pick offense. Bam. Waiting that when I come back, Kate violate the law. I give Kate a young penalty. Kate say, let me go give her penalty. When me exit myself move for the group, who give me penalty? You don't deserve any penalty. For this man, I tell you so. Kate got changed. You don't deserve any penalty. Kate was the only evil woman on that group who can never take person's advice, except he go feel say, na he gets sense pa. You understand? I can't look and say, now cut him on, say, I can't tell you about this woman. This woman got me, and if you are still saying for that same group, Kate still they diagnose all. Kate's not a bad person. It's written on her forehead. She's a beautiful woman. Without, no doubt about it. But her heart, she's a demonic person. Her evil heart now you get. That's why the reason why I always say a beautiful woman with an evil heart is a dirty woman. Not me hatred. And just your attitude they analyze. They analyze your attitude. You've done it to me for me to see and hear. So there's nothing you're going to tell me that I don't know about you. Because why? What the heart see is bigger than what your eyes can see. You the female so. So I got to my boy say, yeah boy, a woman now. A woman now, I have group now. You know, a group now. This particular woman, you know, or a tabe man, or ya tabe man, or a tabe jan, or ya tabe. Now so you bobona. Now Kate B. Or Sayemere exit herself from the group, open her own group, But Kate was the one bombing everything on this group to that group. Where we say some of even my paddy will be put for the group. And listen, my own guy man, my own tight guy man will be saying now so me put for the group. Yeah, boy, you don't know anything. Yeah, boy, just they do it, just they use the hard, they follow people, they go you go just suspect people who don't even know anything, who just do their own thing. Who be the dream demo was Kate. My guys all of the day with Sayere group. Because why? A lot of women, those women who is where they don't follow Sayere. I will tell you the truth today. I think when you worry and you wear Sayere because why? What's boss here? Sorry, others say kia. Hey, bido, keke anak bolak ya dari dalam masa. Bido, alo, dari nak kota musar duhun. Bido, alo, dan wono neuse, be okole no neuse. So when those things were not allowed in the group, they coaching. Now they all those women coaching. They have to go and open their own group, which is every. So those women when they want to talk about Ekia, you're not very loose. I think you're not Ekia. You cannot be sense of Ekia. Ya kiwanisa. I think when you war. I think be a canoe. You're not very loose. I think not break Ekia. We do. Ekia not block in any way. They don't see you. They say, we do. Hello. Kuene sieni no yense wagi magbido tana bido hello pati hello eje ko pe ale tepu ki no tade no sale ki ayo yense wa sabe. So all of the pack mo for the talk show they go here for the bido hello. They no tepu, they no color you say. I did. The remaining one we remain, we gathered together for the little talk show. We use on the follow up. Kate was still in the group. Anything you diagnose for the group because now WhatsApp call, now WhatsApp group, they play voice record for the WhatsApp. Play voice record come. The one who when I talk, you go forward and go to the group. You know what this one talk? Now be walk. Kate. I see Kate. For that gate. Make we relate. Make we not separate. No intimidate. You dey feel me so? Kate now already. Now, after set I've done, Kate forget to say, for inside that same group where they did, that's the thing they will be saying, he did here. You understand me now? You understand me now? Kate not know, say, but they don't, even once I ever not know. Say the group where she opened, Percy still did that same group. Where he did that group, he constantly did do. Where be my party? We go see collect, waiting the diagnose for that side, diagnose and on this side. That's why I do like this. I dey look. Guy, how far? Who they remove things way for here? Now Kate. Man we get sense. He could let the tell you how far. But what's here? I don't know we always way. No waiting up now. Guy, don't worry. I'll give you info. Normal level with the reason to together. Everywhere still. We know we will spoil. We know we will get pride. We get pride. So that's the level to talk shows. If we know that. Not the responsible. You know that. For you say that, you don't let the talk show. But don't you see all those who will say they go pretend? I know why I suppose because my only Kate and so every day this thing I involved. If not be so, I go talk many things. My boy go surprise for us. You go shock. Your boy go shock. Because if I talk, open the mouth like I talk, you go shock. You say you where they do me where they do my own. They go say, Okomasa Obo, hey, all to sort of as I come for the group, I told you. Only one woman I toast for that group. As I toast the woman, the reason why I don't friend the woman say make I call lick bekus. He say you come greet me for us off. If I come, you waiting in the like now to lick bekus. That's my guy. May they teach you ileledo. You decide me call lick your bekus. Are you mad? He said, bros, forget that let the talk shit. You know, say you will leak my because no continue the relationship. That's my kind of, we know they continue the relationship. Let's call it spirit. I don't agree. I don't want to mention your name. Yeah, boy, you know. Now she carry my matter for her. They sat down with them. Anything I do, go, they quarrel with me for that group. Like, see, maybe me and him first for grand before. Because I said all the leak because. As I come over the group, you know, I told you, if Frankie told someone, Frankie told someone, all the Baba with the smile. When you go here, the group, now they saw to switch out what the group in here, when me. When me work bass, me wrong. How you toast to my cousin on the group? You know, they, unless it's the husband, I don't know what the mega one. Abuna. The rest of that, I cannot, but I cannot get up because I caught you with them. Hey, they were like group break back. The red group on your mat how. May work by group related bar. I know if what to start by like the group. You boy, they why you need a move. What the fuck is the way a group in a market? The real men will get sense. Reasonable men did that group in Agua. The higher the can do the memoir. Zibini, we believe you. I mean, even some women really bad now. Women will get sense for that same group where they follow you, boy. Yeah, remember, where a group where you group now born, no. She's my sister. If I open my own personal group, a group in Wafo, the same thing as I ever do. If the boss I ever open group, boom, come out. People will follow on. Say me open group of four. Awful. This is a group where they talk so. Okay, this other group. Nobody should call. Why are you going now? You got a call. The same group where they talk so. Okay, we group on him. A lot of men. Izobo Bada we group on him. Izobo Bada was the hero. What? The man take a Izobo Wabono. I don't know. Izobo Bada I will off this phone. Nobody should call me. Izobo Bada is my walk. Ebuluku TV. This is not a juju man. I said my chief. Chief Izobo Bada. Men are tell you chief, you know. Let me come on, this man a bow. Oh, but if a boy, I group now. Yeah, that's it already. Now, thank God, the must go. Let's go when a bow. Yeah. A boy now, now, pay. Now, from there, I started to study Izobo Bada. From there, I started to investigate Izobo Bada. You the famous so. Before I can say, Izobo Bada is a girl of an job. I can't even get in your group. Because they follow your group, the observer. Because see, these are the people when they fraud our women money for Europe. All those Nigeria boy here don't group. Foundation of Job. Community of Job group. And the people where they open on Nigeria today, the people where they put in now Benin women who are saying all the week we do. The same people will fight themselves for Nigeria because of the money they donate for them. I will open some vast we go shock all of them. About with this man, I get a lot of things for this. If I open I'm gonna see waiting our old me, old women, our bony Nigeria, I will obey WhatsApp. Obey WhatsApp. What did they use our women to do for abroad? You go to share. Irani, call me. Monosin Wabi. Irani, call me. I be calling. Do what man just called one I can do bad wala. Don't be wasting your money for people that are still laying cost on you. Izobo Bada was laying cost on the people in diaspora and it was collecting money for the people in diaspora. You know, people going on here. This same Kate was still inside that group before Kate started live video. This is why I tell you, Kate live video was not a presenter. He was not a presenter. He was on fake account. He was on real account. He's a Kate. No live video presenter where Kate not follow. Fake account of your own. Two way. I go by now, baby. Abon. This same Osayeme and the group, the team up, they were not the group of Osayeme was not donating money. Why? Because Osayemere come inside Ileledo talk show. He can't see the money when they donate for Ileledo talk show. Now, listen, I go talk about this man. Share this video. Let me go viral. You go now. Boy. I can't tell. Oh, we are in Nigeria. What we using this money for? And I want to register the group, Ileledo talk show. We want to register Ileledo talk show. So people were bringing money. Some people bring 50 euro, 50 euro, 100 euro, 50 euro. You know those people, they know the once they release, they say, okay, this thing really they see they'll bring accounts come. They put money, they put money. Ah! Because I never get there, go ya Ileledo talk show, bang. In with the Senegal, why? Now what you why cost Sayemere? Where they call itself voice of truth. Open eye. Now so Sayemere take carry for command bam. You open WhatsApp group. Biangam. You call the tell people. You go to call people secretly. They call people secretly. And so they pick people for inside that same Ileledo. People will sleep that people will not say they quickly donate money. He picked them. Sharp. He carried Johnny's height back. He gets Nandi by him. All of them. They go one side. Yeah, but that time, yeah, boy, called the Buta. Yeah, boy, the verse. Yeah, boy, now shout. Because of what? This one where they talk say, yeah, Maggie go on the saga. Yeah, Maggie need the saga. Yeah, you say saga na for children. Saga is not for church play. If you're ready for saga, you go ready to carry your family on social media. When they beat them first, before they beat another person. You don't feel me so? I call Sian, I lock up. I just lose on me, a sharp guy. I see this money with the just bring console. Now I die for this woman. You know you're loud. For what's happen? You boy go come. You boy calm down. You don't say why I have a group. You little do. Say they kunyak ba. Yeah, open a group. Yeah, maternity home. Can not be when you in Nigeria. They want to open free hospital for Nigeria. Maybe they donate money. Maybe they go buy a plot of land. All our women. I mean, when you got a group, you more than good away. You know, someone you go to say, I do my hand like this, and they look there. I call my eye like this, and they look there. I thought they look there. I'll be another testimony, not inside this year. Inside this year, the next thing we have to say, Osayemere don't open page, bangam. Because why? You see what's happening when they talk so. Osayemere talk. All these things when you say a voice of truth, you are a voice of lie. Also, this page is not the voice of lie, not the voice of truth. Edo voice of lie. Sayemere is the Edo voice of lie. Temata, where do you get that? Temata kinuguye boido with Ileledo. You came out with Ileledo. Temata kinuguye boido. Udo ta wo group. You don't in a hospital. A nurse okay? You are a nurse, auxiliary nurse. You marry a man. Now you talk all your life story for Ileledo. From there, you carry all the people with Ileledo, carry join your body. Go there, pass the money. Then I want to go build off hospital for Nigeria for the less privilege. The same day, today now, where are those people? They don't live on. Now, this kid so, I have kids now. You get on board. I come to the scene. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. All those women, some of our women are ashamed for some of our women. I tell us, look, how can I be in? Okay, that's a cause. I will not sell a do. Or your own will go. I will not wipe a do. Or your own will go. I beg you, can how can you be in Europe? Is somebody who is in South Africa. It will now open a group for you to be following her. So that you will be using your money to do help the less privileged. You were there abroad. who come and don't for where. But they go tell you so that the whites pass. I think only a Katie. You don't know come on a live video, you don't know how to preach. Also, Katie, I will to eat the bucket with Jesus. You don't know. I could just look you. When you're in South Africa, no matter like Webo, or you're in South Africa, or you wear one man, or you bring away one man. If they remove you from the group where you did, can you go to South Africa? Go give you post for there. And boy, ya gbe uda when I gbe yiki. And boy, ya lagukba when I lag baby when I go to where the judge when I go to lagukba. Not because that the character want to behave. How can you imagine person where they South Africa? They call the plant, they call the right script for you being on the art. To the bully person where your fellow person where they for Europe or UK. I'm not sure we are in Europe or not UK. On the down. She didn't go to South Africa. She didn't go to Senegal. Kate will go now. E Monica Maria Senegal. E Monica Maria South Africa. E Monica Maria Togo. E Monica Maria Ivory Coast. Monica moved from Holland to UK. She upgrade, even though you upgrade on Zoa level. Because even though she upgrade, she not still gets sense. Because what? It's a soccer because. You understand? It's a soccer because. And Monica, you upgrade for you as a kids were in Belgium. You couldn't upgrade. We're going to live video. Kids, you know that we all know your secrets. Agboyari Webo. Na gbe bomi oko, but a Kate, you are the only woman in Medegi. Nebo gbe mi oko. Ebo yebu where you borrow go bank. No ye pay it today. No man ye pay for. Before okay ya mia bokinu marina. Tell us how ebo ya gbe mi oko in live video. Come at us 8 hours. Now come live they go they paint the good side of now. Talk the people. Let the people learn from your past mistake. Let our people learn from your past mistake. No, they can't they paint yourself too good. It there everybody body. It there all our body. All of us get bad records. In one way or the other. But tell the people your past mistake. They know when you go call it. Tell the people. I will not hear what the me call. Any book me call. Or be understand me now. That won't be juju. Now you go still come and call the talk say, so this one be, so this one be. What does that do? If you are a man, be a man. If you are a woman, be a woman. Ye boy no. Oh, that way, Osani Monica, Osalobade Monica, Monica game. Ya wa was wa mummy. Where a webo why? We go why? Because why ye dege? When the day beginning of a new survey, Vao Italy, how can you be in Europe? You are a blunt person forever. You are a big blunt person. Who are me? Who are who are it's a shame for you people. Having a document without having brain, you have cassava leaf. Cassava leaf, now you carry for hand. So, all you wire for you Korean social media, all you work with your Korean social media. How can you people just be an old cargo for nothing? Cargo is good to carry load. But why old cargo for many years? You got one gamma brain. When I love you when you don't apologize, apologizing to who? After you humiliate people, all because of Kate. Because why Kate is donating go your orphanage home in UK. You think we don't know? You are coming out now. Sayeri, don't be silly, man. Here. You think women in social media they don't have brain? So we had movie boy one. We had the loan in social media. You and Kate are 5 and 6. Kate is in your group. He has donated a lot to your group, you know. So you listen to me. Before because we are going live video, have it in mind where there are people who are brain who are listening, who can analyze your words, the clean of your mouth. very clearly to people to understand where you are coming from and where you are going to. Okay? Sayere, down why that no more? Understand? The same you. According to your Lord, who are Kate were a cookbook. Who are quick book. Ekbon wakun, when I ballon by the one woman canoe. No way I'm more high when you can't go to village. We have more high on red degree. Can you imagine? When you're rebel, you know, again. Now, Zena, your team will. When you're rebel, the day I move 7 o'clock, so 1 2 day. When we are more high on the level, is I'm a rebel back above winner. No, we are more high on a bit. Then, when everybody. On woman will don't know him, you might be. On not get to work your web, okay, every amu high be. On no you have million madame, every other more high be. On a spirit look like a book, every other more high be. Say, I do not go down there. Why catch you? Do what did they get it by what? A Monica, you have big again for years, they want to more high be. A Monica, madame, wanted to be on Palak, Malay, every other more high be. E Monica na zen so ho na mpo e yade mu ha ya egbe e Monica na no mu ya soko nya e yade mu ha ya egbe ka yi la regbe o madam mu ha ya egbe na you get sense pass because you wise e Monica no hegin we kworo we no gbe gogo e yade mu ha ya egbe we si e ma mu ha ba ko mu ha we what the boy my Monica to boy like well yeah more Monica and Monica more way you're supposed to be afraid of Monica. You understand? Because Monica ne agene ade e Monica won ho bia de e Monica be vie no wa e Monica go gbe ne wala mai o wona go de wona do mo we hey cause sister la eze o e ma mo awe ogun na ti we godfather ge wona do mo awe e ma mo awe ko ye e re gbo e o mo awe wa ko we se la eze mi osuba akun amo ayo egbe we se David no nya woni Monica Maika mi Monica na me na ti da na give 100 ama mo awe o mo awe ya ko sai very no ga because no ga in Senegal ama mo e ma yo Nigeria ma yo Senegal ya mo ha we se Monica ye gbe ran gbiri ni Nigeria ma mo e ma yo Nigeria e ke ni pa gbe ran se Nigeria Monica ma mo e ama we no Senegal no ma wa ka we se o wa ma mo ki o abo bi ele legbe Senegal wa do fi kwa ni Monica do ya mo awe ugo agbon do wa yan gbe legbo ma o wa ozo wa gugun. Do you know when kids started supporting Monica? You think it's this month? So I really learn down now. Let me talk to you guys. Oh God, I wish you really know the kind of person they are. Not they misbehave for this social media. I wish you really know the kind of person they are. Not for they misbehave for this social media. You know when kids started to support Monica. You know when kids started to dance to Monica's side. You say I don't know. Okay. When I think say I don't know. I don't voice of truth. Who are not get sense. I put my hand like this. I look now. You know why not strike kids is there? I want me to expose herself finish by herself. So that if they beat her, I go know what they beat her put. The reason why I don't strike kids when I say they dance to Monica's side. If they dance to Monica, you still get one blogger now where they wait for. Where I will beat that blogger finish. When I want to support Monica, when I support Monica, as when they support Monica, and when I go beat that blogger finish for the social media, I will hear that blogger. Hello. I agree to real live video. Yeah. Okay. You understand? One blogger just did now. I see him. That's why I do my eye at this. I look you. Blogger, I look you. If you want to be blogger, don't get permanent friend, don't get permanent enemy. Just balance yourself. If you want to analyze this, you analyze that in the two ways. But my focus is on Monica and his group and his gang. I don't get issue with that person. I mean, Monica, I don't get issue. Yeah, I beg mercy, bon. You understand? All those GPC, I hear you are group, when according to the right message, I'm not sending now. If you not tap my inbox, don't fool. People don't go see spirit tap. You know, since they block them. When they block them, say myself. Now keep telling you people the truth about I hear you are. You understand? Do rien do be by Monica. Ou qu'est-ce qu'on a de by Monica? Nika son a go wene. Ça y est very. You understand? Ou ozo a my moki. Ou gwazinyo uzo e de you do. My. So if you want to come to Monica team, if you want to come to Monica team, just write application and come straightly. Then you're ready to face all of you team together. Yeah, go wire. But bola wa dawo no we are. I mean, if we no any gbe oko wodo ezu on social media. Oko le gbe oko wodo ezu on social media. Choose that set of women, prostitute women. I mean, be agano go. I mean, Zanzibar Squad Association. You don't know what. Let me hear me hear on video first. I did all of my body right now. I want to really face now. I think when you go, no Google why you go, but below the why never go here. Why you do a gwale serious relationship with Igboman? But Bola was Igbo generally did Buade. What the Kakabo would do why the Monica? Ibuade. The Monica no way yet do our money, I open a big money, you worry. But you know you quite trouble in my hands. But Bola was we buak by. I want to hear you one mama. Can't be all one on me. I go. Say, they will like it, boy. You marry swing. This is a sad, straight warning to you. Call yourself voice of freedom. You understand? If you like yourself and carry your picking, you entice ass and lock yourself. If you like yourself, this one a straight warning to you. Osayene, why damn you, man? Unda we can I leave any lari. Ik me a broke by a boss you and dog Babis in the body, and Unda we can even my way. I know me get you or wait I go down your man and listen carefully. Who are like a boy, Laowa. You see that concussion that Yaman live video the if you like yourself, enter your room straight direct. You can really go and go on nothing in anything I hate you with it. You will not like me. You understand? I down your man. I leave him. It's buluku. No joke or koto we or koto. You understand? Or koto. Egg your koto we are lily home. Or I lily home. If I guano. So look here. Get inside. Get inside and shut up your mouth and close your dirty doors. Because if I come out for you, you know you like me. You understand me so? You cannot come out. Who be the current president? Who be the life? Who be the social media president? I was watching you. So get inside. Don't come out on live video and come and do those your cook and boast stupid apologies videos. After my off your violent when you are deceiving my don't so come look here enter his heart. Don't let me talk to you. Wabekit, you go again the money go. Funa make me vex. I really settle down right topic with for now. Na know me. You got a battle. A very nice topic or women. I'm the record person and the right topic. Because I get better things for this man to think, to write, than to call the carry phone and record people. Privacy. I don't do that. If I start to write your story, if you make me carry battle, spend 30 minutes write your story, I'll burn away. Say, I will video make me. I write my story, I cannot forget. After my writing, I rehearse. That's about this man for you. I'm a live video presenter, I rehearse. I go for rehearsal. I carry mirror to face myself. I do my rehearsal peacefully. And when I come ahead, not a big mistake. Obey you. They get me so if you want to learn work, I will teach you work. Do you understand? If you like yourself, carry your picking, enter his house. Hey, you know my sister. I was ashamed of you the other day when I said they dance with your people for social media. I was ashamed of you. I said, Jesus. I keep paging on social media. My guy, or my girl, I get you be. After I enter house, don't let about this man with my talk. My own ego, because nonsense you of your view to, eh? The man only go is there. You know what I go on boy. Or say, but I only go. Would they even know video say, go your master away because you are going to boy and leave right. Look here, use your head. You understand me so? Use, yeah. You understand? Obey you. And not pitch away. So, my people are Christian now, but that's not. This is about this. Now, I do my drink. I want you. You understand? So, a kid. In my only Google one. Yes, I don't know that way. The reason why I will still giving you some regard. Kids, that your we not see it. It's because of one of your friends. One of your friends or say walk back. And would respect no way. You understand? Because of her, that's the reason why I still take my mouth shut. Kate, when I get social media now, social media no mina. Even Monica, I'm not you born you. You got Monica like me. Now all of now I go red. I mean they tell you now when I take contract, in more Monica. Understand? C'est Monica fee way I tell you, I'm not going go. You know block a page on. Mami Monica, okay, my name is Bodo here. So when you work best, you know, I agree when Dole guy, I tell you the truth. That's the reason why I made the draw and you want in here. I made the Waro, in my meaning, Nick Bobby Lohan, in a carry one in here, and I mean, Nick Wimu. It didn't want in here, me. And I am moving on Yiki, that you will not be a Yiki. Oh God, I look on the laugh. Because it case Monica, he are Johnny. If my mean you, he will like them, message Monica. Or when I suck, because a wax here, Marion. GPC, Beaga. GPC, even if you can go. GPC, you know what no GPC, I hear you. GPC, you know you like both social media. GPC, Ari Beaga Squad Association. GPC, Ari Yonison. GPC, Ari Kuni via Gassi la Webo. Yari via Gas la Webo, the Gassi pay for the natural Balabenia. GPC, Ari Kuni Bele Gassi, ya posto. Babola, why be? It be a gas post of the association. Aba so commulo, Aba walk. Hey, sister, the bolo, brother, bolo, Ben, what is set your venom now with my bola when you are go. But all this time I see one thing. I think be a Diaspora Association. They know why you know that. Are you was if I want? Let me go there. Sister do bolo, GPC Gabolo. Baba with this man. You already know better. You already know better. God, I don't vex. GPC, you go on below. God, where is my guitar? My guitar, where are you there? We are there. We are there, GPC. We are Gas Squad Association. Oh yeah, let's go there. Sister do bolo, EJ, GPC bolo, Memega bolo, bolo, Monica do bolo, money, is a bolo, Monica, where we are, Monica, uye weko be money double way, money double way. Ayo yo wa eruki, money double way. Iwe money, he said he bolo way. Ano, if you are not special be money a bolo way, money a bolo way. Mwen gare shege, iya bole buheni. Uwe no gigman no muri agbon, shege, are shege ni re UK. Wagabole o, ọmọ ẹbí wa nẹnu wagabolo, Orije Edo Festival Award. Iyana bole o, iyan bole ene, iyan dawon ene we, asoko no, iyana me odogba limu inare no da fun o da fun mere.
Okay, my amazing people, we don't come to the end of this video. Now, see what a power me want talk for this video. Me no be like say na me analyze the video or na me call it talk about the video. I bet me gonna help us analyze them for the comment section. Make gonna tell us what you na feel about this video, and make gonna not also forget to like the video and share this video. As you do so, God bless you and see you all in our next video. Bye bye.